Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So inside this box is a Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in yellow. It's also available in a variety of other vibrant colours. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the sticky tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And there you can see that the butter dish is upside down. Let's flip it the right way up and being very careful because there is a lid as well. So right there we have the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish removed from its box packaging here, or shipping box. Now let's set the box on the left hand side of the frame and giving you a look as it is straight out from this brown packing or packaging. It's right there, the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in yellow, and you can see that it is a very solid yellow color. And the yellow is reminiscent or similar to the yellow of mustard, as you can see right there. And let's pop and turn the dish around and remove that middle protective cardboard. And now taking a better look around this Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in yellow. So it does have a nice solid weight to it, and you can hear the clinking of the lid against the dish bottom or base. And taking a look at the underside of the dish base, you can see that it is unfinished at the very bottom of the dish, and it does have the Creuset branding on it. So size wise, to give you an idea of the size of this butter dish, resting in the palm of my hand, giving you some idea of the size and perspective of this butter dish in this video. So the butter dish measures 17 by 14 or 13. I can't quite remember. It's either 17, 14 or 13. In centimeters. And taking a look inside the butter dish, you can see that it has a nice glossy finish all around right throughout the butter dish, except for the base, which we saw earlier. So giving you a much closer up look. So let's set the lid of the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish down and take a close-up look at the dish itself, or the base bottom, and you can see once again that nice glossy finish with the shiny glaze to the base. And you can see that, of course, it is recessed. And giving you a look to the side of the dish. So lengthwise it is 17 centimeters long. Right there. And then it is either 13 or 14 centimeters wide. So you can hear just how solid this base is. And once again, giving you a look at that Le Creuset branding. On the underside of the dish base. Okay, let's set the base down and take a close-up look at the lid itself. So once again, giving you a close-up look of the lid on its own. So you can see right throughout it is a solid mustard yellow in color. It does have a nice carry handle there, which helps instead of a knob. So it gives you that proper and secure ability to carry the lid safely, especially when you're dealing with butter, which can be quite slippery. Right there, the specifications or details for this Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. So giving you an all-round look, and you can see the Le Creuset branding right there as well on the top of the lid. And taking a look on the inside beneath the lid of the butter dish. And around to the sides as well. So once again, nice, very, very solid feeling butter dish, very chunky, of course stoneware as well, top and bottom of the butter dish with the lid and base. Okay, so just setting the lid down, you can hear nice and very solid. Sometimes the lid may wobble against the base, so all you need to do is turn it around, and usually that would solve that problem right there. So giving you a top-down look at the butter dish as well. So right there. Really solid and chunky butter dish here with a nice heft to it. And now there's just one thing to do, is just to give you some idea of the size of the butter dish on the inside in terms of how it handles a block of butter. So I do have a standard block of butter here, 250 grams in weight, and it is an Asda organic British slightly salted butter. So nothing too different from your usual supermarket block of butter here. So 250 grams right there, with some nutrition information as well. Okay, so giving you once again some idea and perspective of the size of this block of butter, which, as I mentioned, is a very standard supermarket size, 250 grams. Placing it in the middle of the butter dish, just to give you some idea right there in terms of the ability of this butter dish to store butter. It's right there, just keeping my thumbs against the side so the block of butter doesn't slide off and drop or fall into the floor. Right there, plenty of space around the dish to slice or cut your butter. And of course, putting the lid back on the dish base, and right there, no problem at all, plenty of room to safely and securely store your butter. And of course, you want to store your butter without the wrapper on it, but obviously this is just for a demonstration. So obviously the butter dish needs washing before you place a block of butter in it and start using it. So right there, the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in yellow. So that's the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. Thanks for watching and happy storing!